In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change a shirt color in Fotor. This is a quick, beginner-friendly way to transform clothing colors in your photos without complicated software. By the end, you'll know exactly how to go from a plain shirt to any color you like using Fotor's AI Recolor tool. Start by opening your web browser and heading to fotor.com, then log into your account. Logging in makes sure you can access and save your edits reliably. Once you're in, look for the option that says Edit a Photo on the home page and click it. This opens the editor where all the tools you need are located. Next, upload the photo you want to edit. You can drag and drop your image or use the upload button. For best results, choose a photo where the shirt is clearly visible and well lit. Good lighting and a high-resolution image help the AI detect edges and fabric areas more accurately. On the left-hand toolbar, click AI Tools, then choose AI Recolor. This feature uses smart selection to target objects and apply realistic color changes, so you don't have to trace outlines manually. It's especially useful for clothing because it preserves fabric texture and shadows while changing the hue. Now describe what to recolor. Be clear and specific. For example, say something like, change the shirt to navy blue, or make the t-shirt pastel pink. Naming the item and the color helps the AI focus on the right area. If you have a particular shade in mind, mention it, like deep forest green or light lavender. You can also include details such as the type of shirt, t-shirt, button-down, or hoodie to guide the tool. Preview your changes to see how the new color looks. Take a moment to zoom in around edges, collars, and sleeves to make sure the color didn't spill onto skin, hair, or the background. If the shade isn't quite right, adjust your description and preview again until it matches your vision. Being specific, like adding dark, muted, or bright, can make a noticeable difference. When you're happy with the result, click Apply to lock in the change. This confirms the edit so you can move on to saving. Finally, click Download to save your edited photo. Choose your preferred format and quality. JPG is great for sharing, while PNG can preserve more detail if you need it. And pick the location on your device. That's it. You've just changed a shirt color in Fotor quickly and cleanly with realistic results.